Hi, good morning guys. Welcome to my channel. It's Pinay Eats, your Pinay vlogger. Yes, it's early in the morning and I woke up like this. Ganun eh. No, nandito ako ngayon sa, ang aga ko talaga gumising like 6 o'clock. Kasi pupunta kami dito sa Takenaka. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Tara! Takenaka. So, Japanese restaurant siya and they serve breakfast. So, itatry namin yung breakfast nila kasi masarap daw dito, sabi nila. So, ayan, another episode of Let's Eat with Pinay Eat.
Hot matcha latte? Hot hojicha latte.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, thank you. Joyce, ano to?
Salad.
Oh gosh, I forgot. Curry. Beef, pork belly, raised pork belly and curry.
Ah.
For lunch.
So guys, I'm just waiting for my food. I order yung set with braised pork belly and takana, and then yung spicy salmon mayo. So guys, ito na yung order ko. Ayan, set siya. So, miso soup, unlimited miso soup yan. It comes with salad and yung mga side dish. Ayan, parang egg salad siya. At ang aking order, yan, pork belly with takana and then spicy salmon mayo. So guys, ready na akong kumain. Ayan. Okay, start natin sa miso soup. Masarap nga, Joyce.
What?
Yung miso soup.
What kind of onigiri is paid by you? You only get
Okay, let's try yung salad nila. Hindi ako mahilig sa salad, pero sige. Try natin to.
That's why he's in it. Oh my gosh. I'm almost gonna kill.
It's just like all of them together.
Meron ako taga-approve. Masarap siya, ah.
It's okay.
Okay lang, nakikita naman.
What game is this already?
And this one, ano ba to? Pork
Pork belly.
pork belly and takana. Yan. Parang bakit yun lang, nasa, tas puro kanin. Mm. Ang sarap ah.
I'm dead again. And I'm then fallen into water.
Ang kalat pa ako. Hindi ko alam paano ko ito kakainin pero masarap. Pasensya na guys. Ba yan? Magkalat na ako guys. Ang sarap. Grabe, ang sarap. Okay dito. Pumunta kayo dito. Sa Takenaka. Ang sarap ng miso soup ko. Hindi ko mapakita guys. Mamaya. Unlimited to guys. Kaya higop lang ng higop. Kasi unlimited miso. So, kung nakain ng unlimited miso. Itatry ko naman itong kanilang. Ayan. Hoji, chachi, latte, kung ano man yun. Roasted green tea siya. Sisirain ko na yung bear. Ang sarap. Ang sarap guys, matamis na ano. Tikman mo, masarap. Oh, dito. Matamis siya na ano. Diba?
Yeah.
Kala ko mapait na ano, hindi matamis. Yeah. Kaya lang hindi ko. Okay, next.
Do you like the matcha?
Spicy salmon mayo. Ayan, guys.
What is mayonnaise?
No, it's spicy salmon mayo.
What is the salmon roll? Salmon roll.
Yeah, do you want?
No, I like salmon. You can get the chopstick that says oh. How did you?
Ayan, ano? Ang hirap kainin. Makalat, pero masarap.
What is just
Sa lahat ng kumakain, ako pinakamakalat kumain. Oh my God. Okay, so i-try naman natin to guys.
I know, dude.
Ayan. May egg siya. So, i-mix mo. Tapos may pasta sa baba. Tapos may salmon roe pa, oh. Social na breakfast to. Ayan guys, so tingnan natin.
what? Rice? No, I'm not hungry.
Okay lang siya. Parang gooey. Ayo. Yeah, mini-mix ko. Pero yung parang gooey ano siya, parang yeah, ayaw ko yung texture. Ayan guys.
Yeah, Carol doesn't like the texture either. She doesn't like the texture either.
You don't?
Sorry guys, I'm not a fan of that. What is that? What is that? I'm not a fan of that. Soba. So, ayun. I don't like the texture. Pero okay lang. Pero I don't like the texture.
Cooking a frog with
Masyadong makalat to guys. Pero masarap.
dubious food. I hate that.
Take a picture
kalat kumain. Ayan. Hanggang sa baba guys, ayan. Parang bata lang naman, butas yung bibig. Ang hirap kaya kainin. Nahiya naman ako, linisin naman natin yung kalat ko. Sabihin naman parang bata.
Oh, and she gave me the...
Beef Wagyu curry. So guys, ito pinapatikman nila sa akin tong Wagyu beef curry. Ayan. Wagyu beef yan guys. High grade beef yan. Okay, tikman na natin. At teka muna. At humingi na naman ako ng miso soup. Ayan, unlimited yan guys. Siguro makakalima akong miso soup. Grabe naman. Ay! Ewan ko na lang pag nahulog pa to. So, ayan guys. Oh. So, Wagyu beef patty siya. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Curry to guys, curry. Sarap. Tapos may egg pa sila. What?
You're a lefty?
Yes. But on the camera, it's right. Joke lang. Joke lang. Sarap. Oh, higop na naman ng miso soup para maka-unli miso soup to. Mainit. Parang unli rice, guys.
I know, that's what I told her.
Ano, umuusok-usok pa guys, oh. Sarap.
I think like I probably pressed it too much.
So guys, yeah, tapos na ako kumain. Hindi pa ako tapos kumain. Meron pa ako ubusin. Pero, yun nga, so overall experience dito sa Takenaka Japanese Cafe, okay yung pagkain nila. So yung breakfast nila is from 8 to 11. I suggest, dapat maaga kayo dito para walang pila. Kasi pag kumbaga opening pa lang, dapat nandito na kayo to get good seats. And yun, so breakfast pa lang, grabe, heavy meal na. Pero masarap guys. So yung in-order ko nga yung onigiri na pork belly and takana, tsaka spicy salmon mayo. And may mga kasama na siyang side dish, salad, tsaka yung side dish na soba, tsaka yung egg, yung tamago. So, I suggest you come here, try it. Meron silang Instagram at Takenaka. So, ayun. So, guys, ako'y busog na. Grabe, ang dami ko kinain. Pati itong curry na to. At, don't forget, unlimited miso sila guys. So, unli miso yan. So, punta na kayo dito. Okay, so I have more eating vlogs. Marami pa akong pupuntahan ng mga restaurant. Kaya, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Pinay Eats, your Pinay Vlogger.